wig style was sent to me by Wig Studio One so I could review it for you today. You can find it there. All you have to do is go below the video, expand the description box. There will be a direct product link labeled Gabor Sweet Talk Luxury. If you click on that link, it will take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Again, all of those links are below the video in the description. So there's an extended hand-tied lace front. It goes back through the ear tab here. It's nicely contoured. Oh, wow, this one is really nice. The knots are super fine. And it goes back to a hand-tied monofilament top. Now that's a single monofilament top. What you're noticing here is a bit of tulle material that's sewn in for comfort, but it doesn't affect the nice realistic look and the illusion of scalp through this monofilament. We'll check that out when we apply it. We have a velvet, beautiful closed velvet ear tab here, long sturdy stays, an extended velvet nape, and Velcro adjusters. Lots of stretch here, lots of darting, I should say, lots of darting and lots of wefting. So let's dig into these measurements a little bit for you. So that front piece is going to be right around 7 inches. Now it is curly, wavy, so it does shrink up a bit, but I'm about 6.5 from hairline to chin, so that's about right. Overall, I'm looking at about 9 to 10 inches. It weighs right around 3 ounces, just over 3 ounces. And then again, it features that extended lace front, fully hand-tied single monofilament top, and open wefts on the sides and back. Let's take a look at this lace front. Gabor does a really nice lace front. I've always noticed that from the beginning of my wig journey, that I could always count on Gabor, like Raquel Welch, for a nice lace front. So it's a very fine knotting process there. All of the seams are obscured. Gives you a nice wide area in which to style away from the face with the beautiful illusion of scalp all the way through that sheer lace material. Now on the monofilament top, you can definitely see down in through to the monofilament. I think that would be more obvious on a darker color than it is on this blonde. So it's really important to note here that this is made from the Flex Light fiber by Gabor. This is not heat friendly, okay? This is the regular synthetic fiber. It is soft to the touch. It's fine, it's feathery light. It separates beautifully and moves very well. Now the soft shade Sandy Blonde, that base shade to my own eye looks like a softly toned beige blonde, like a medium to dark beige blonde. Okay, and then the highlight process, I see both a warm kind of a golden light gold blonde and a light ash blonde blended into this mix. The real story here is the subtle shading at the root. It's a very subtle color that kind of gradually blends into the style. Gosh, if I didn't tell you it was rooted, it might not be obvious, right? Because that root is very light in color. It is a warm, light color. So if you want to call it a dark blonde or a light brown. Either way, it's just a subtle variation from the main color